infopalace.com.ng. Yeah, I just want to give you an overview of our business brain boss. Business brain boss came up after many years of research of what business really work in Nigeria. We have compilation of 70 businesses, both offline, that is physical business, and online, that is internet business, that really work in Nigeria and can be very profitable. Some of these businesses might demand some effort from you. Some might demand passing through some training and guides in order to set them up and running. Some might even demand that you just be like a coordinator or middleman to run them. We are not saying they will be very easy to set up. What we are saying is we have seen them work and it can also work for you. As I have said earlier, 70 of them are in this package, and each of them has a separate video. So subscribe to this channel so that you can always have access to all of them. So we have many of them here. We have the first one here, which is one of the offline business, is pet control. Some people also call them fumigation business. So you can do it and be very profitable. In each of these has separate videos which you can watch to have detail of how to set each of these business up. We have the gaming business, we have boutique business, event and party planning business, we have dry cleaning business, we have bees and firework making business, we have vehicle and machinery spare parts business, we have film production business, we have hotel business, all-age service business, we have furniture business, office supply business, invest in property business, charge card, voucher printing and selling business, gym business, bakery business, fashion design business, making of juice business, pure water business, oil and gas business. We have daycare business, amper business, graphics design business, phone repair business. All of these business are business we have seen people that they really strive very well in it. Car wash business, all how to go about it, little guide on how to go about it. You're going to get in the detailed video, so you get across the video on each of these business. Second-hand product business, palm oil retailing business, plantain chips making business, roadside fast food corner business, fish farming business, tomato farming business, poultry farming business, snail rearing business, rice farming, cassava, gas filling, public toilet business. Great business that anybody can go into and be very profitable. Well, that's the first part of it, which is the offline business. Then we now have the online business. The first one here is app and game creation business, forex trading business, binary option, social media and forum business, video streaming website, job site or job search engine, information marketing. We have affiliate marketing, website and domain flipping business. All of these businesses are tested and I've seen them work. People have made a lot of money in it. Some of them I demand that you pass through some training. If you pass through them, you'll be able to do them well. Bulk SMS, some of them might feel that I know this one is anything, but there's a way to go about the business that make many people profitable, which by the time you learn, you know more about it. Make money online through survey. There are some survey sites that are really still working very well. Google AdSense, online store. We have affiliate shop, having an affiliate shop, entertainment blog, information resource blog. Blogging is another thing entirely now, which if you learn the skill is make good money. You can make real good money even in your own home. without having any mega office or anything, just for you to learn some things. News websites, good. We have soccer analysis blog. We have free classified website, many of them around now. We have directory website. We have tech blog. There are many tech blog now, talk about the latest tech, phones, camera, all of those things. You can create a blog for it and really be making it well. We have music download website. You can have a music download, which some people will even be listing their music for download and be paying you for that. We have photo stock website. You get detail on all of these things in individual videos. We have food blog. We have all of them, real estate property website, great website that you can also have and be running. Online booking website, freelance worker, YouTube, search engine, multi-level marketing, dropshipping business, great business that is really working very well now. Offline to online conversion, you have an offline business, you can convert to online and really multiply your earnings. Wrap up, yes, this is infopalace.com.ng. You can get more about us even on our website. So click the subscribe button so that you can always know and be able to have access to all other video. Then check the description below to get more information about us, and ensure that you always follow us on our website www.infopalace.com.ng or .ng. Also, for you to really be able to know what's going on very well, follow us on all our social media. You'll see all the detail below in the description. So this is the preview. This is like an overview of business being boss. Every detail of it you are going to get in another video. And check also the description. You see we have a WhatsApp group in which we discuss in detail, and people ask questions, and many other things goes on, even about each of these business and how you can set it up and be very profitable. I am Babajide Adelowo. Get across to us through our website infopalace.com.ng, through our WhatsApp number, our special WhatsApp, and call number, and get close to us, and you will see how we can get a lot of things around us. So look through and get many videos, watch them, and you can always drop your comments. Thank you very much.